In this video, we will demonstrate the setup process from unboxing your card terminal to taking your first sale through your Epos Now till system. Equipment included is as follows: 1 card terminal, 1 base unit or charging dock, 1 charging cable, and of course your Epos Now till. Please note, these deliveries may arrive separately. Here we are connecting the till system to the internet via an Ethernet or LAN cable. This goes into the bottom of your monitor screen along with the USB printer and power cable. We are now going to show you how you can search for the Retail Merchant Services till application and how to download it should you not already have it installed. Firstly, log into the till system with your user credentials. Select the 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner. Select Apps, followed by Find More Apps. And using the search bar, search for Retail Merchant Services. The application should now appear on screen. Once selected, you'll be taken to an information page about this application. Select the Download Application button. After downloading, it will now be displayed under the My Apps tab located in the menu or the 3 horizontal lines at the top left of your screen. You can now select Setup and then choose Authorize if you have not already done so. You can also update your tender display name in this section. Once you have completed this step, select Return to Till located at the top of your screen. You can now go into Settings via the 3 horizontal lines, select Peripherals and choose Enable RMS Payments. Make sure to also select Set Default RMS Terminal if you have not already done this. You are now ready to process a transaction. The first thing you should do is select a miscellaneous sale or product through your main screen to action this sale. Once ready, you can select the green Pay button on the till screen and then select RMS card. Now simply have your customer tap or insert their card onto the card terminal to complete this sale. You have an option to use the terminal printer or use a USB printer to obtain customer receipts.